Now I'm going to teach you the garter stitch, which is very simple. It's when you're going back and forth but not in the round, and it is basically just knitting. So you're just going to knit, 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 round, in, around, and through, in, around, and through. A lot of people like to use this for scarves because it keeps you warm and it doesn't curl up. Now, as you can see here, it does this nice pretty ridge pattern, and it's completely reversible, which is the other reason why most people like to do it for things like scarves. So you don't have to worry about which side is the right side, which side is the wrong side, because they're both identical.